More rock slides. That's because we have several rock slides that have closed the 178 through the canyon. There's also a report of rock falls on the 178 near Walker Pass. That's more accurately near Lupine Lane. So those of you in Isabella, you are trapped on either side of the 178 with rock slides. You could take the 155, but we know that is a slower, twisty, turny highway. Reports of flooding and problems south of Tehachapi, but so far it looks like the 58 is open. And like I mentioned, our side of the Grapevine's fine, but look at that mess down south.
That's right, Elena. I'm at the mouth of the canyon because the 178 is closed due to those rock slides. Now, I was just talking to Caltrans. They did say that the rock slides are major throughout the canyon. They also said that they wouldn't start clearing the road until daylight. Now, of course, it is daylight right now, but like I said, I was just talking to them. They said they're still waiting for some equipment before they can start clearing the road. Officials also say that this may take up to 2 days depending on how bad the rock slides are. You can take a look at those pictures that we're showing you guys of the rock slides from CHP. They also said they received the calls around 11:30 Tuesday night, and with the rain, they're not sure, like I said, how bad it will be. CHP says the closure is at the mouth of the canyon on the west end of the 178, which is where we're at, and at the Kern Canyon Road on the east end. Caltrans will continue blocking the road until it is clear and safe for people to start driving through. Now, we have seen a handful of cars going back and forth and realizing that they have to turn around. Right behind me, we've got some semis that are trying to turn around and trying to get back once they realize that it's closed. But again, this is for everyone's safety, so they will continue blocking the road until everything is clear. But for now, that's all we know. We'll keep you guys posted on the road being closed or open. But for now, I'm live here at the mouth of the canyon. Eliza Navarro, 23 ABC.